Maybe you're paying for Google Ads, but your phone's not ringing. Or it's ringing all right, but folks are calling about jobs you don't do. Or you haven't got a clue if your ads are making money for you or just driving you deeper in debt. Too many septic contractors throw money at Google Ads without a real plan. They jump in with the wrong keywords, no tracking, no landing page, no plan at all. They just hand Google their credit card and hope for the best. There's a reason Google calls an ad campaign a campaign, because it's like a military campaign. You must have a plan or you'll get slaughtered. Let me tell you about a client. We'll call him Nathan to protect his innocence in case he has any. Before he hired me, Nathan was running his ads straight to his homepage. He didn't have any conversion tracking, and he had no way of knowing if its ads were working or not. He was spending money all right, but had no idea if it was working. We rebuilt his campaign and focused on his most profitable jobs like drain field installs and tank replacements. We set up call tracking so he'd know where his money was going and how much he was spending per lead and how much he was making for every dollar he spent. It wasn't voodoo, it was basic math. Every lead coming from an ad was sent to a blistering fast and highly focused landing page that showed people Nathan could solve their septic problem and that he was the best man for the job. Now Nathan's booking 2 to 4 solid leads a week for high-dollar install and replacement jobs, and he knows precisely how much he's earning for every ad dollar he spends. If your Google ads aren't working like you hoped, it's probably your setup. We can fix that. Schedule a free phone consultation with me and let's talk about getting your septic business where it ought to be, with leads you can count on and ads that actually pay off.